already a major player in the AI race, Google might have just delivered a killer blow to the competition with the latest update to its BARD AI. In this video, we will break down the revolutionary update and describe how Google is set to change the AI industry forever. Watch till the end to understand why AI models will never be the same after this revelation, and how you can make the most of the update. Welcome back, everyone. It's time for AI. Here we cover the latest news and breakthroughs in the field of artificial intelligence. Today, we will be discussing Google's latest update to its BARD AI system and how everyone, including you, can benefit from it. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on everything hot in the field of AI. So, what is BARD? It is Google's answer to OpenAI's ChatGPT. It is a conversational AI system that Google launched experimentally in early 2023 and is based on their AI model LaMDA. Just like how ChatGPT is based on GPT 3.5, you can treat it as a language model and ask it any questions like how do I train my biceps or summarize Merchant of Venice by Shakespeare. However, it has some key differences from a regular chatbot, and its latest update has pretty much supercharged it beyond its competition. Stick around till the end to find out why BARD is better than other chatbots out there. Have you used Google BARD before? How do you think it compares to ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments below. BARD versus chatbots. While chatbots like ChatGPT are impressive, they are quite limited in terms of updating their knowledge base. ChatGPT cannot connect to external sources such as the internet to fetch information to answer questions. Instead, it can only cover information up to the point when it was released, hence unable to provide latest insights. BARD, on the other hand, can access the internet via Google Search, meaning it can provide up-to-date responses and comment on real-time issues. Another advantage over traditional chatbots is that BARD can generate several versions of its responses, enabling the user to choose one as the foundation for building a conversation. Users can even ask BARD to answer a question differently if required. BARD is based on LaMDA, which stands for Language Model for Dialogue Applications. LaMDA is based on Transformer Architecture, which is a design that processes sequential data by understanding the relationship between its components. LaMDA was trained on dialogues and stories, and it can now seamlessly have conversations while accurately preserving context. As we know, ChatGPT struggles with maintaining context of the conversation, and its responses often divert from the topic at hand. Aren't you already beginning to see why BARD is not just your average chatbot? Let us know if you are considering replacing Siri, Alexa, or even ChatGPT with BARD from now on. BARD's new features. Brace yourselves, you're about to have your minds blown away. Global availability. Initially, BARD was only launched in the United States and United Kingdom to English users. However, due to widespread popularity and global interest, Google prioritized enhancing BARD's performance and security, and they have just announced its availability in more than 230 countries and supporting over 40 different languages. This is a huge step forward, and now many more people can access and use BARD to their advantage. If you ever wanted to use BARD in Spanish or Hindi, now's your time to shine. Google Lens integration. Here's where things go to the next level and begin to rival GPT-4. Google announced the integration of Google Lens into the BARD system. This means users can now provide images as input to the conversational engine and ask it to analyze them. Picture this: you take a picture of your face and ask BARD to generate hairstyles that would look good on you. Or you can snap a picture of your wardrobe and ask BARD to put together outfit ideas based on whatever inspirations you like. Isn't that mind-blowing? Before we move on, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to ensure that you don't miss out on regular updates about breakthroughs in the AI industry. Alright, let's carry on. Text-to-speech. With new text-to-speech capabilities, BARD can now conversate in over 40 languages. This is especially beneficial to users who may be visually impaired or for those users who just want to rest their eyes. You can even take this a step further and use BARD like Siri or Alexa, except it would learn from your responses and eventually transform into your own personal assistant. Conversation management. Users can now pin and rename conversations and even have multiple conversations with different contexts going on at the same time. This makes it simple to switch between different topics and seamlessly multitask. You can also pause and resume conversations at will without them ever timing out. With only an internet connection, your previous conversations can be accessed from anywhere and at any time. You can take this a step further by leveraging the conversation sharing options so you can collaborate with peers on tasks or hobbies. Users can also modify the length and complexity of BARD's responses according to their needs, giving users all the flexibility. How would you use these amazing conversation management features? Let us know in the comments below. Code export. Another amazing feature of BARD is its ability to generate code in any language based on text prompts or pseudocode. It can also export code to other Google platforms, such as Google Colab, which allows access to powerful GPUs. Beginners in programming can use BARD as a teacher to learn how to write code. BARD can even work in the opposite manner, as in it can accept snippets of code as input and explain it in simple language. Lastly, BARD can even enhance the code inputted into it to reduce the time and space complexity, both of which are important considerations when it comes to putting software into production. We bet all the programmers watching this are already excited to use BARD to make their lives much simpler. These updates to BARD are a testament to Google's dedication to developing revolutionary AI systems that consistently raise the bar of the industry. The AI race is well underway, only this time it is being contested by big tech corporations and not countries. Now that you have seen what the latest BARD is capable of, is it only natural to think about the ethical consequences of making this immensely powerful technology globally accessible? One can only hope and pray that these corporations remain responsible and ensure a smooth integration of AI into societies. Thank you for watching It's Time for AI. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We will be back again shortly.